a to the n is equal to a times a times a n times. 5 to the third is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 25 times 5, which is 125. With parentheses, negative 3 squared means negative 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9. Without parentheses, negative 3 squared means 3 times 3, and then we tack on the negative sign. So it's negative 9. With parentheses, negative 2 cubed means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Two cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. 3a between parentheses squared is 3a times 3a, and 3 times 3 will be 3 squared. A times a squared, so it's 9a squared. 1/2 between parentheses to the fourth is 1/2 times itself 4 times. So it's 1 to the fourth divided by 2 to the fourth. It's 1. 2 to the fourth is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. 1 over 16. A to the 0 is 1, and a to the negative n is equal to 1 over a to the n. Negative 5 to the negative 2 will be 1 over negative 5, and we change the sign of the exponent to the second, which is 1 over negative 5 times negative 5, 1 over 25. Negative 5 without parentheses to the negative 2, we keep the negative sign, and it's 1 over 5 to the second, which is negative 1 over 25. 8 to the 0, 8 to the 0 is 1. 2/3 between parentheses to the negative 3, we flip and change the sign of the exponent. So it's 3 over 2 to the third, and 3 to the third is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 2 to the negative 1, display space. So it's 1 over 2 to the first, 1 over 2. 4/5 between parentheses to the 0 is just 1. And 3/2 to the negative 2, we flip the fraction 2/3, change the sign of the exponent to 2 to the second is 4, and 3 to the second is 9. A to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. 2x cubed times x fifth is equal to 2x3 plus 5, 2x to the 8th. X to the 7 times x to the negative 7, it's x to the 7 plus negative 7, x to the 0, any number to the 0 is equal to 1. Negative 4y squared times 3y to the 7th, negative 4 times 3, negative 12, and y to the second times y to the 7th, y to the 9th, negative 12, y to the 9th. 1 divided by 3 to the negative 2, Well, 3 to the negative 2 is 1 over 3 to the second. So 1 divided by 1 over 3 to the second is 1 multiplied by 3 to the second over 1, which is 3 to the second, which is 9. X squared times 3x to the 7th. 3 times 1 is 3, and x squared times x to the 7th is equal to x to the 9th. 1 over 4 to the negative 2 is 1 divided by 1 over 4 to the second. And division is the same as multiplication by the reciprocal. 1 times 4 to the second, and 4 to the second is 16.